On July 11, 2025, U.S. District Judge Sean Jordan vacated a regulation that would have barred the three major credit reporting agencies, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, from including medical debt on consumer credit files. The judge held that the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, CFPB, exceeded its statutory authority when it finalized the rule in January, a move the Trump-appointed CFPB leadership later refused to defend. For millions of Americans, and especially for identity theft victims dealing with fraudulent medical bills, this decision keeps medical debt squarely in the mix when lenders pull your credit. What was the medical debt rule? The goal is to remove roughly $49 billion in medical debt from the credit reports of 15 million consumers. The CFPB's research showed medical bills often arise from emergencies beyond a consumer's control and are poor predictors of repayment ability. However, the court called the medical debt ban an inappropriate remedy, signaling that Congress, not the CFPB, must rewrite credit reporting rules. Additionally, trade groups for credit report companies argued medical data is still useful for assessing a borrower's risk profile. Lower credit scores. Medical collections can drop scores by 50 to 100 points. More credit report errors. Hospitals and collection agencies frequently miscode bills, leading to inaccurate entries that linger for years. Harder disputes. With the rule gone, consumers must rely on the standard dispute process, often a paper chase with the credit reporting companies. Here are 4 things you can do. Pull all 3 credit reports. Visit annualcreditreport.com and download the latest files from each bureau. Look for unfamiliar medical collections, common after emergency room visits, or lab billing mix UPS. Send a detailed credit dispute letter. Identify every incorrect item and attach proof, EOBs, paid in full receipts, insurance statements. Keep copies for your records in case litigation becomes necessary. Consult a credit lawyer or identity theft attorney if a bureau refuses to fix blatant credit report errors. Our credit disputes lawyers can sue under the Fair Credit Reporting Act, forcing corrections and pursuing damages. Monitor for ID theft red flags. Fraudsters often exploit medical providers' lax data security. An experienced stolen identity lawyer can coordinate with providers, insurers, and law enforcement to clear fraudulent accounts. Take control of your credit today. Schedule a free consultation with our seasoned credit repair attorneys at sueyourcreditreport.com and learn how we can help you dispute, delete, and recover.